Peer Deck is an amazing platform which allows the teacher to present slides which a student can get access to in their own system by simply typing a code in their browser. It's fascinating as Peer Deck allows the teacher to make slides easily and student enjoys it thoroughly. It has multiple features allowing the teacher to make slides interactive. I like using Peer Deck as I can give answers to the slides shown which the teacher can also view. So many organizations have seen students attending classes to take part during the periodic sessions. I assure you it is effective as I myself enjoy periodic very much. I would be glad if periodic can be utilized by teachers, making the students pay attention to classes.
How is Peer Deck different from other apps? Peer Deck does one thing that interests us all. It gives us the opportunity to type, draw, choose the answers which can be even mailed to us. Online classes need a lot of attention and Peer Deck attracts that. The student feels like he or she is sitting in a real classroom. They feel involved and also gain knowledge. It fills a void during this tough period. Peer Deck will not disappoint the teacher nor the students. That sounds like a real deal to me.
Look at the slide here. It shows us the numerous features of Peer Deck. To be honest, it's very hard to focus in a class for so much time. But if I get the chance to express my answers in text, shapes, etc., I would be very interested to listen to the whole period. I get to choose the answers too. How delightful it is to write answers where the teacher can correct them simultaneously. Would you look at that? Peer Deck also cares about my health and also takes my opinion, making me more involved and attentive. If I am told that I can participate in wonderful presentations like this, I am sure the period would go by quickly and interactively.
It would be wonderful and exciting if peer deck can be included in our daily classes. It provides the student with skills in a fun and interesting manner. The best thing is that peer deck is free and easy to use with inbuilt templates and subject options. I promise you, students will always pay attention if peer deck accompanies them throughout the class.